For this job, we focused on enhancing the functionality and safety of this commercial storefront door through the installation of a new high-performance door closer. The proper door closer is crucial for energy efficiency and traffic flow, ensuring the door consistently and securely shuts. Our technician begins by precisely marking and drilling the mounting points. This step requires accurate measurement to ensure the door closer is perfectly centered and aligned with the door frame, guaranteeing smooth operation and maximum durability. With the mounting complete, the hydraulic door closer unit is securely fastened. We then assemble and attach the critical arm components that connect the closer body to the door itself. This mechanism must be ruggedly installed to handle the constant stress of daily use. The final and most important step is the adjustment. We calibrate the internal hydraulics to control the door's sweep speed and latching speed. This precise tuning ensures the door closes reliably every time, fast enough to secure the entrance, yet slow enough for safe passage. A perfect installation, ready for business.